Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur. I'm back with another video, and this video is all about my hair today. So this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to do a review on this hair. Yeah, so we're just going to hop right into it. Before I start getting into the review, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications, so anytime that I upload a video. Did I just do a dance routine? Every time that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, share this video with your friends, like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. Yeah. Okay, so let's jump into the review. This hair is from an AliExpress vendor called Monika Hair. I got 4 bundles and a frontal. So the 4 bundles are 26, 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch frontal. The hair is really thick. I'm sitting down so you can't see how long it is, but it is true to length. These are how the ends look. They're a little bit like, they're okay. I do probably need to clip them a little bit now. I've been wearing this hair for about a month, so I got this hair for my birthday, and I wanted to keep it inexpensive, so I went through AliExpress. This hair in total cost me about $165, I believe, with taxes. You know AliExpress tax now? I don't remember AliExpress ever taxing. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I do not remember AliExpress ever taxing sisters, and sis, they taxed me. I was like, what do you mean $15 more? So retail it was $151, and then after taxes came off like $165, which wasn't bad. I wanted an inexpensive hair because I changed my hair so much, but I've actually just been wearing this hair for a month. I did not really straighten it. This is how the hair was after being straight. This is how it is after being straight for about a week. So I only got like little ripples here, and that's honestly because I tuck it behind my ear most times when I'm wearing it. But the hair is really soft, as you can see. I'm running my fingers through it. I did get a little snag right there, but for the most part, I could run my fingers through it really nice. The hair is nice and soft. I just ran my fingers through it, and I got literally one strand. I don't know if you can see that, but it doesn't shed too much. It's really nice hair. Like every long hair in the summertime when you're sweating, it does get that little matted part, but you know it's nice hair. When you comb out that part, it just comes right out. That's how you know the hair is pretty good. So yeah, I think that this hair is really good for girls who are on a budget and want that length. You guys want to see the length? So it comes on my butt for sure. So you can see how long it is. I really do like this hair. I think it's awesome. And I will say that it's nice and thick. The bundles are really soft. The frontal is really pretty. It took the color, the bleaching really good. I actually over bleached it and then had to dye it down because it took the bleach. So I just was coming to talk to you about my hair that I've been wearing for a month. This is my 1 month update. I was thinking about doing a video to show you how I go ahead and gauge who to buy from AliExpress, because sometimes you have a certain amount that you want to spend, but then you spend that amount and then the hair is that quality. So it's like you'll get that $300 AliExpress hair for the price of $150. So if you want to see and show, you want me to show you guys and do another video and teach you guys how I do that when I'm purchasing, I'll actually show you when I'm on the app and what I do and how I gauge if the hair is good or not. If you want to see that, go ahead and let me know down below in the comments. I'll definitely make a video like that. I'll go ahead and do like a little AliExpress training session. But this video is pretty short. Didn't want it to be too long. I just wanted to talk about my hair because I really do like my hair. I have been getting a lot of compliments about it. So I said, why not just make a video with a little bit of a review and let you guys know like what kind of hair this is, where I got it from. So I'll go ahead and link it down below. This hair is like, it's so nice. This hair is actually Brazilian. I want to say it's Brazilian loose wave. It does still get a little bit wavy when it's wet. And I haven't had any issues. I haven't had any shedding in my frontal. And you know, when the hair is not that expensive, it sheds. Like the frontal will shed on you. I have no shedding. Like my frontal got all this hair, sis. Let me go this way. My frontal got all this hair, sis. So all his hair, sis. When I'm looking in the manga, I go backwards. But as you can see, it has all his hair. It's a really, really thick frontal. The hair is really thick. I really love these locks. So I'll leave everything down below, and make sure you leave me a comment down below if you want to see my AliExpress tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossom in nature. And if you got to the end, you might as well join the flower gang. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next one.